Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is a highly requested one. I get asked a lot of times, even by my students in my online makeup classes. I get asked a lot of times कि properly makeup कैसे remove करते हैं, what is the right way to remove makeup, what is double cleansing, how to do that, what does that mean. So I'm going to answer all those kind of questions in as much details as possible. Before that, I also wanted to hop on here and talk a little bit about my online makeup classes that I'm conducting. And there are two kinds of courses that I'm giving. One is for 2 days and it is for 2 hours each day, and the other one is for 4 days, again 2 hours each day. Of course, the 4 days one is a little bit more detailed, in the sense we practice a variety of eye makeup looks, and in the 2 days course I try to teach 3 to 4 different kinds of eye makeup looks. So depending on how much you want to learn, you can choose either the 2 days course or the 4 days course. The details will be listed below in the description box, so make sure you check those out. The classes are held on one-to-one basis. If you book classes with 2 to 3 people, you can connect with me for further discounts. And yeah, let's start. So I just got done with one such online makeup class. That is why you see 2 different kinds of eye makeup, because I try to cover as much as possible. So we try to do like different eye makeups on each eye, so I can teach you different kinds of eye makeup. So this is a spotlight eye makeup. This is more of like a more angular and not really smoky eye, but yeah, so these are like 2 different kind of eye makeup looks from each other. Now coming to removing makeup, which is very important, and double cleansing is doing the rounds from quite some time now. So double cleansing does not mean कि आप 2 बार face wash से अपने face को wash कर लो and you've double cleansed your face. No, double cleansing means you're using 2 different methods to remove the makeup, to make sure कि the skin is very clean, it is deep clean, there are no residue of makeup. And if you follow the double cleansing method properly, you can ensure like a nice clean, deep cleaned skin. So now I'm not going to go through the skincare routine in this video. I'm going to thoroughly go through the makeup removing part. I'll do a separate video with the skincare routine after, once you take your makeup off. So now once you're done with your makeup and you want to remove it, if you're wearing false eyelashes, the first step is to remove the eyelashes. Now you can take like a earbud and micellar water or makeup remover on the earbud and press it on your eyes for a few seconds and then remove it. But if you've been applying eyelashes for a lot of time, all you do is just, you know, pick it and just remove it. That's it, it's easy. Now there are various ways to double cleanse. You can first use an oil, you can use a cleansing balm, you can use a makeup remover wipe, you can use like cotton में micellar water लेके you can just do that. So there are various ways to double cleanse. कोई एक तरीका नहीं है और कोई एक तरीका ही best तरीका नहीं है. Whatever works for you, you do that. And the second step to double cleansing is of course always a nice face wash. So I'll just show you the 2 products I am using these days for double cleansing. Earlier I used to use a makeup removing wipe, kabhi micellar water. You might have seen videos on Instagram on how I do that. Currently what I'm using is the Face Shop Herb Day Cleansing Cream. This is what I'm using. This is like green tea for all skin types. So this is one I'm using. बहुत सारे products आते हैं cleansing balm के, Clinique का आता है, Pixi का आता है. In fact Face Shop में ही बहुत सारे variants हैं that you can use. Take a face wash and then you apply this face wash all over your face, and then again normally as you wash your face you do that. This should get rid of all your makeup. So we're going to follow step by step, and then closer to my eyes how I remove the makeup, I use a third step also, so I'm going to show you. So this is the first step. So I'm going to open this. So you just take a little bit of it on your hand just like this, okay, and you start to just apply it all over. Okay, so I just place it everywhere and then I start to rub it, so it will start breaking my makeup. So you just keep rubbing it and you can feel the makeup melting off. You also take it on your neck if you have applied makeup there, which I do. Okay, so last is eyes, of course, otherwise I won't be able to see anything. Everything else is done. All the other areas are done. You can see now the cream is gone and it's all mostly makeup. I'll just, and be gentle around your eye area, very gentle. This one doesn't really sting my eye, so I can keep my eyes open also now. And now I'll just go and wash my face and then use the face wash to wash my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you see, this is how the face looks like after the first cleansing method. Now I'm just going to take some face wash and I'm going to apply the face wash on the skin. I'm just going to go and wash my face and be right back. This is the double cleansing method. I've cleansed my face 2 times. Now I'm just going to take a cotton and I'm going to take some. This one is the cleansing water from the Face Shop. This is what I've used on a cotton. Now I'm just going to run it on my under eye area to get rid of that kajal. So also depends on the kind of kajal you have applied. If it is like very long wearing one, waterproof kind of one, so that is the one that takes time to remove. So this was the makeup that was left on the under eye area, and now the face is all neat and clean. So you can see the face is now nice and clean, and now I'm going to just apply my skincare and give my face some rest. Yeah, this is how you do double cleansing. So yeah, this is how you remove your makeup efficiently, effectively, deep clean your face, and you're not harsh on your skin as well. If you have any questions relating to makeup removing process or something that I have not been able to cover, just ask me in the comments below and I'll take care of that. And I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you